Greetings of peace, my dear friends. Question and answer number 15, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. Question: how can sacred scripture be truth if not everything in it is right? Answer: the Bible is not meant to convey precise historical information or scientific findings to us. Moreover, the authors were children of their time. They shared the cultural ideas of the world around them and often were also dominated by its errors. Nevertheless, everything that man must know about God and the way of his salvation is found with infallible certainty in sacred scripture. God bless you.